Hey everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the replacement starter from QA Parts. All right, everyone, real quick, if the time has come for you to replace your starter on your motorcycle or your ATV, and you're looking for a quality starter that's gonna have OE specs with a 6-month warranty, and like I said, at a price that is not gonna break the bank, then this would be an awesome choice coming from QA Parts. We have these for a lot of different makes and models, so when you're picking yours up, just make sure to enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, your ATV, to ensure that you do get proper fitment. And remember, as always here at Rocky Mountain, we have a lot of great how-to videos, so when it comes to installing aftermarket parts and accessories on your bikes, your ATVs, your UTVs, make sure get subscribed to our YouTube videos, and those are really going to help you out. So to pick yours up, it is really simple. Just click on the link in the description or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As you can see on the table, we also have starter relays coming from QA Parts, so if you need one of those, you can pick one up as well. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this video, we got a lot more just like it, so make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way you always stay up to date on the latest gear guides, product reviews, and how-to videos that we're constantly filming. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.